Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can feed the giant and up your friendship levels without having to grow your beanstalk. Although you'll need either the burning bud or the princess thorn, you're going to then use the sprinkler method and you're going to grow it until it's tall and bendy like this. If it doesn't go that way, you're just going to rotate it and just put it at the end on the left here so that you can reach it. Also, it is easier if you just do it in your own private server because you'll be in the spot where you want, but you'll be on the spot where like everybody spawns. Oh my gosh, hold on, which is like here. So make sure your plant goes to the right direction and you're just going to climb on top of it. For the princess thorn, you're just going to go up here, and there is like a bit where you have to kind of go to the left, like this one here. You kind of have to jump here and go to the right, and then you're just going to jump up again. I know it's a little bit tedious, but I'd rather do this than sacrifice my plants to grow the beanstalk, but I will eventually need to do that when I've leveled up enough with the giant. Then I'm just going to jump here. As you can see, I'm on top of the beanstalk. Grab your food and just give it to the to the giant, and voila, that is it. You don't even have to feed the beanstalk, which I think is nice. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.